Great.
Yeah.
So, welcome to our AHA Educator Talk. Today, we have a young, dynamic, superstar who has lived life with her unique experiences. She's motivated. She's going to talk about self belief and motivation and transformation. Let's hear and welcome Shikha Mishra. Welcome, Shikha.
Thank you, Sunny so much. Thank you for having me here.
I'm really happy to learn from you. So please tell us your transformation journey. How did it
Yeah.
all start? How did you reach here?
Okay. First of all, let me wish everyone, whoever is watching this video, a very happy and a prosperous new year for everyone. 2020 was definitely very challenging for all of us, but I wish 21 is amazing and super for everyone. And I mean, it's a great opportunity to be here, to share my experience with Sunny ji. I mean, I've been following him on LinkedIn, and his work is amazing. So thank you so much for providing me this opportunity. So let me just give a very brief about myself. I am Shikha Mishra. I basically belong from Rani Lakshmi Bai place, Jhansi. So I did my schooling and graduation from Jhansi, and then I pursued MBA from ICFI Hyderabad in marketing. And post that, I come with almost more than 11 years of experience in marketing and specialize in the training industry. And as a kid, I was always passionate about stories. I mean, it has always pushed me towards it. I used to narrate stories to the kids and all. And down the line, I don't know how, but I found a channel to pursue my passion towards writing. So it all started with writing motivational blogs. I started with the blogs, and then I started writing the stories, poems, and I'm very elated to share with you all that I am a very regular author of this amazing platform called Story Mirror. So I've been nominated as Author of the Year 2020. Uh, Thank you for my contribution. So what I feel is, see, life gives you a lot of challenges, but behind those challenges are learnings. So if you can see those learnings, you'll find your path. And I firmly believe that self belief is something that can help you to take you to places. So self belief is
but,
the key.
but how do I maintain my self belief after failures?
See, failures. If there are failures, that means you are trying, right?
Wow.
Because if you are not trying, there are no failures. So the failures itself means that you are trying, right? So you need to keep pushing yourself and surround yourself with positivity, with motivation. And the thing is, whatever you focus your energy on, you find that. That is something what I strongly, firmly believe in it. Because I mean, for a, yeah, sorry. Yes, Anidhi.
No, no, go ahead.
Yeah. For example, if you're looking for positivity, you'll find that. And if you're looking for negativity, then it will catch hold of you. So just focus on positivity. Yes, I mean failures. It's very difficult to um, face the failures. I mean, it is. I'll give you a very small example about myself. I did graduation, schooling, everything from Jhansi. So it was my dream to do MBA from a reputed institute. And I remember the year which the first attempt, I got some colleges, and I was like, okay, let me do it and all. But then at the back of the mind, there was an inner voice, okay, no, Shikha, you can do better than this. Don't settle in. Don't settle for whatever you are getting on the plate. Just try hard. And I remember it was so much of pressure because my friends, they were all joining the colleges and all, and I had to take a year drop. But today, when I look back to my journey, I see I did MBA from one of the top 10 institute. ICFI Hyderabad, IBS Hyderabad is one of the top 10 institutes. So the thing is, when you don't just settle in, you strive hard, you accept failure, you learn from it, and you move hard, you get what you want. Nothing can stop you. Nothing.
Yo,
Exactly.
I liked it. And how inspirational it is to hear. Yeah, that moment we may not understand, that moment we may
Exactly.
not relate it as a blessing, but now when we look back, yay, I got the best. Yes,
Exactly.
truly, truly. What is your one tip for the teenagers who are sitting at home, no friends, online learning, not everything is going inside? So what are your tips to them to keep themselves motivated and keep their self belief intact?
Okay, good, very, very good questions, Saniji. As I said, 2020 was very, very challenging for us, and I mean, by God's grace, it's gone. I'm sure 21 would be, great year for us. But yes, when it comes to how you keep yourself motivated, online classes, no friends, consider this time as a time to work on yourself, because we are so occupied with a social circle, with friends, with this that we forget ourselves. We just forget ourselves sometimes. So consider this as a moment where you have got an opportunity to work on yourself. I'll give you my example once again. 2020, this was a year when most of my writing took place.
Yes.
When I read the old blogs and all, and what I write now, I see a transformation. Why? Because I channelize my energy through that. So yes, things are difficult, you are not able to meet your friends, but consider this as an opportunity to follow your passion. Find out what is your passion. Be it art or be it painting. I paint, or I also do some sort of painting also, so that also gives me some happiness and all. So the thing is, when you follow your passion, it leads you to happiness, right? And for me, I would give this advice to all the teenagers out there. Consider this time as an opportunity to follow your passion. Figure out who you are, what you want to do, what are your dreams, how can you fulfill your passion. And secondly, spend a lot and good time with your family, because family is the backbone. And this actually, because see, because of work from home, it's actually a time where parents and kids are able to more connect with each other. So utilize this time more. It's a blessing to be with family, to spend time with them, to discuss with them, to have meals together, to watch something together, to play together. Maybe consider this as a blessing of 2020. We have been always cribbing about work and long travel, this and that. So why not we consider this as an opportunity to focus on the things which matter to us more. So
You know,
that. And
you sounded like Dr. Kiran Bedi. She
oh
was
my god.
asked, she was asked, how do you face
Okay.
challenges? She says, challenges? There are only opportunities. Yes,
Exactly.
this is a
Exactly.
blessing, this is an opportunity. And
Yes.
I love me, connect with me. So that's the magic.
Exactly.
So beautifully answered, very inspiring, Shikha. Moving
Thank you.
ahead,
Thank you. Sanjay. Yeah.
now, how should I plan the next 3 months as a student, as a teacher? What are your tips to both of them? How can we make life wonderful? End this academic year in a great high.
Okay. See, as for the students, my advice I'll again follow, because I guess if you focus on your passion, you are halfway through, right? So for even for the teachers also, teaching it's a blessed job. I mean, I'm very, very fortunate that I come from a background. My dad was a teacher. My mother, she has been a teacher. So I come from that teaching background. So teachers, I mean, they are a blessing. They are the guiding light. They support you. They mold you. To be the best version of you. So for coming to students, I would say focus on your studies. Okay. But at the same time, take out time for your passion, for your dreams, what you want to be. And Saniji, in today's scenario, I mean, the kids, they are so smart, so smart. I mean, far beyond what you and me are. Were. They
Truly,
are very
truly.
smart, very smart. And there are so much of opportunities for them. You know, technology is a blessing, right? So for some, I guess schools are reopening. They are still in the process, but I will still say that, use this time properly so that when you look back and you say, oh my God, 2020 was the year which, changed my life. I followed my passion. And you never know, it's not about just engineers or doctors. It's about the authors, it's about the writers, painters, and you name it today, right? So consider, use this time appropriately. As I said, spend time with the family. At the same time, spend time on your dream. Figure out what you want. How do you want to pursue it? Connect with your family. I mean, father, mother, siblings. So that would
Beautiful.
actually help you. And for the teachers,
Connect with, yeah.
and for
Go ahead,
teachers,
go ahead.
I'm not the right person to say anything. I mean, teachers, they themselves are doing a superb job. But
Yes,
because
yes.
I mean, teaching is, it's a really a blessed job, and all those who are
Truly.
working
And
towards,
AHA
yeah,
education is always focused in
yeah,
making life AHA, in
right,
recognizing, in
right,
expressing gratitude to those school leaders who are
right,
unsung heroes, who are
correct.
teachers. So amazing. Now, my last few questions are short and rapid fire.
Okay,
Leadership in one word.
motivation,
Your one line quote that keeps you going.
self belief can help you to get through anything.
What is the secret behind your smile?
Uh, Happiness. When
How do
you're
you stay
internally
happy?
happy, you smile.
How are
I
you internally happy?
how am I internally happy? I feel blessed, for everything, whatever I have in my life, whatever I'm doing, whatever I'm surrounded. Even having an interview with you, it's a blessing. So
Everything is a blessing. Every moment is
everything,
a blessing. You said it right. Your favorite
yes.
song?
My favorite song. Okay, there is a long list. Uh, मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया.
एक लाइन गा देते तो बढ़िया रहता.
I'm not a singer, but I'll still try. मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को दुए में उड़ाता चला गया, मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया. Thank you. I'm not a singer.
So beautiful. I think you summed up the whole interview in these two lines. That let's stay together and let's stay connected with self and life. Look forward to more such conversations, Shikha.
Thank you,
Truly
Sanjay.
inspired. It was truly wonderful. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you, Sanjay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so
Shikha.
much for having me. Thank you.